Hello, Professor. Today I'm gonna demonstrate the lab 8. So for this lab, basically, I start with the task 1. So for the task 1, we have to create our own images on our Git on our Docker Hub. So those are the images. So in the file here, I can see them in the app all in one YAML file. So here are the different images that have my name on it. So that's okay. And also I would like to show quickly on the store admin. So there is order, there is product. I made a test here. The test product, of course, we don't have the AI generator image here because of the issue limitation on our account. And here I can add order, and so this is the one that I add as well. Card. I can go there, check them out. The order submitted successfully. Okay, there are them queue. Okay, so that is for task 1. So next will be task 2. Prove MongoDB persistent plus replica set. So to prove that, to prove the MongoDB persistent, so I went through a set of tests here. So first of all, I changed the let me go back here. I changed the stateful set for MongoDB. So here is and adding the replica tree here, and here also I changed the container specification here, and also I would like to show something here. Yes, I use here is what I use as PVCs. So again, the PVC stand for let me find it quickly. It stands for um, persistent volume claim. So that's what I have. So to be able to make my to demonstrate the PVCs, so I basically insert the test data here in my MongoDB, and then on step 2, I confirm that the data exists. So I run this one. So here is the data persist here. And then on step 3, I deleted the pod. So on step 3, I delete the pod here. So the pod has been deleted. And then on step 4, I verify the data is still there. If the data is still there, so on step 4, I check that one right here, and I got an error first, but later on I execute this one. It's showing that, so I went through some fixing issue here first, and after that I double check again if the data still exists, and after running this one I still get the message here, persist test. So this is basically how I demonstrate that the MongoDB data is can be can be PVCs actually. So it basically stands for persistent volume claim. So that's what I did for the MongoDB one. Okay, so and the code, I showed the code already. So let's move on to Let's move on to step 2. The other task, which is I have to show on task 2. I have to prove that the RabbitMQ persistence. I had to prove the RabbitMQ persistence as well. So for that one, what did I do? Here for the RabbitMQ, I changed this one. I changed not the headless but the stateful for RabbitMQ, which is again here. I use two names here. This one is enough here. So set for RabbitMQ. So here the RabbitMQ, the replica remain 1, and here is the change that I made, the volume, and also the volume claim template here, right here. And so basically those are the changes that I made here, and I would like to emphasize that in the config map as well, I did this change right here. Okay, so to be able to test that one was test here, the RabbitMQ. So first of all, I get the port and see what RabbitMQ is running here, and then I went through the I get all the RabbitMQ PVCs. So checking here what I have. Mainly I want to check if the status is bounding, so that's what I get here. And then I run this one, but I was running through an error, and then I fix it here by using this command line, pasting that one here. Like I declare queue name test queue with the tag durable equal true. So that's where I get it here. So I get this one, the test queue here. But after that, I delete the pod, the RabbitMQ pod. And so the pod has been deleted successfully here. And right after that, I executed again the get pod here, which is which is another command line. So and even though after I deleted the pod, I still get it. I still get the test queue right after the pod has been deleted, which demonstrates the persistence of the RabbitMQ. So those are basically that's all I will say for this video, and thank you for watching.